Welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make Laddoo. My favorite Laddoo, Morshani style. Ingredients are, we're gonna need besan, gram flour. This is only besan in this bowl. For the sugar syrup, we need granulated sugar, water, and a cardamom pod. So what I did is I just opened them all just a little bit so the syrup can have the flavor, the actual flavor from the cardamom. And then these are optional. You can add or you can just leave them, which is some desiccated coconut or coconut powder, some dry raisin, some sliced almond or chopped almond. We also need this type of slaughter spoon, which has the bigger hole just like that. And then first thing what I'm gonna do is the syrup, the sugar syrup. I'm gonna add to this saucepan my sugar and my water along with the cardamom pod, and this is going to go to boil. Okay guys, so my sugar syrup is boiling at the back. Now to this basin, I'm gonna add just a little bit of yellow food color. You can leave it if you don't want to add food color, but I like mine to be a little bit yellowish side. Now you're gonna add water as needed, and then you're gonna keep mixing, and I'm gonna show you the consistency, what you are looking for a Laddoo. Just add little by little. All right, now you're gonna see the consistency. This is what we are looking for. Now using a hand whisk is better to compare to the spoon, or you can use this by hand obviously. Now let me show you. It's better it's easy to see with a spoon, just like that. This is what we are looking for. And my oil is heating in my pan at the back. Now we are going to fry the bundi to make the Laddoo. Okay, so my oil is hot enough. I have put just a little bit of bundi over here to see if the oil is hot enough. Now you just take a spoon and then just do like that for the bundi. I'm just gonna fry like just few bundis at a time, and the heat has to be on low. We want this to cook but without any brownish color, just until the raw flavor gone from the besan. And then I'll show you the next. Okay guys, I am changing my slaughter spoon. I'm using this one right here. This size of hole is better for the bundi. So for this spatula or the slaughter spoon, this is what I got, like a small bundi like this. And then with the other one, I got like a little bit bigger of, like I really didn't appreciate that. See, it's gonna be like a like too many. It's gonna take longer to mash this. So let me show you how it's gonna come out, just like that. Okay. All right. You can just do this, or you can just use a cup or a spoon and just let them out like just like that. A smaller bundi will be better, will be mashed easily. So let that fry, and then we're gonna remove all of them. And I also have a paper towel on this plate or tray over here, and then so let the paper towel absorb all the oil. And then you're just gonna take a fork. You can use a fork to separate the bundis so they can fry quickly. just like so. All we are looking for is a flavor, the raw flavor, to just the raw flavor gone, until the raw flavor gone from the bundi, and then we're gonna remove this. So literally this was fried for like 35-40 seconds up to 45 seconds, less than a minute. Just remove them onto your paper towel, and then we're gonna keep frying them all, and then we'll move forward. Okay guys, my bundi is already, my sugar syrup already is ready. All you're gonna do is let the sugar syrup boil for 10 minutes, and then you're just gonna turn the heat off and leave it over there. And at the time to make the laddu, you need the sugar syrup to be like as hot as it just come out from the stove, from the heat. So I'm gonna use a potato masher to mash this up. You can do this by hand obviously, but before that I'm gonna add my dry raisin. I'm gonna add my just few of my almond, I'm just gonna save some, and then coconut again. Now this is depend, you can add as much as you want to add. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna add the sugar syrup. You can remove the paper towel if you want to, or you can just leave it. I'm just gonna remove it. I should do that before, just like that. You see how much oil the paper towel has absorbed. That's why it's better to put them on a paper towel before, just like that. And now you're just gonna add the syrup little by little. Now the measurements that I'm gonna give you, you may have some leftover syrup left. You can use it for anything else, or you can just throw it away. And now you're just gonna mash this, or use your hands simply, because this is really hot right now, so you just have to be careful. You see those small bundis with a different spatula or the slaughter spoon, it's better than the bigger hole that was I'm using the first time. I tried that the first time. I hope in Mauritius you guys gonna find the right one. Hopefully when I come to Mauritius I will like probably bring some of this from Mauritius. Okay, now I think I have to add more syrup. Just avoid the cardamom seeds pods. Okay, now keep mashing. Okay, now I'm gonna add a little bit of cardamom powder. I love the smell of cardamom powder. This is the seed. I have the seed and I blend them into powdery. It is better than you buy the cardamom powder itself. Just buy the seed and then blend it yourself with a fine in your blender, and then you're gonna see the differences in the cardamom powder. Now I think I'm gonna add a little bit more sugar syrup. I'm adding actually 2 spoons at a time. And then keep mixing, keep mashing them until you have the right consistency. And then we're gonna make them into laddus. Okay, my laddus already, I already started. Now you can add more food color, yellow food color if you want to, or you can add orange food color just to make it a little bit different. But I just want to keep it traditions that we eat in Mauritius, and then just keep shaping the laddus. My laddus already, I have just spread some pistachio. I love pistachio and it is so healthy as well. You can just dip your laddus into the coconut powder. That's one option, or you can just sprinkle some almond sliced if you want to, or you can just put the almond instead of pistachios the way I did it. It just looks beautiful, pretty. It's gonna be nice on your table whenever you have guests. For your dessert, hope you enjoyed the video with me today. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Written recipe is down below. I will see you next time. Bye.